So chemical weapons used in Sri Lanka, say chlorine. The Tamil Tigers used chlorine. There's a paper written by Professor Bruce Hoffman. He is the world's leading specialist on terrorism today. According to that paper, first time a terrorist group used chemical weapons was the case of the Tamil Tigers. But we know that subsequently there were other terrorist groups that used these weapons. There was a terrorist group called Aum Shinrikyo in Japan. This group is a Buddhist and a Hindu group, but it misinterpreted Buddhism and Hinduism. And they used sarin gas. So terrorist groups throughout history have attempted to use chemical and biological weapons. Then there was another group called the Rajneesh group. They have used also those special weapons. Then we have examples in Afghanistan. Al-Qaeda manufactured or attempted to manufacture anthrax. An American scientist who was disgruntled manufactured anthrax, distributed it. So I think that it is key for governments to ensure that these special weapons are not used and misused, and the facilities that can manufacture these weapons should be exceptionally well protected, and those scientists that have the skills and the capabilities to manufacture these weapons, government has to work very closely with them and if necessary even monitor them, because the nation's interests will be at stake if these capabilities are used and misused by non-state groups, meaning by terrorist and criminal groups. Both Al-Qaeda and IS has moved in that direction. The Islamic State or IS in Iraq and Syria used it, used chlorine. And I myself reviewed hundreds of papers recovered in Afghanistan, Al-Qaeda papers, where they had attempted to move in that direction. In fact, there's a video of a dog, they're testing hydrogen cyanide on a dog, and the dog dies a very sad death. So there was movement in that direction, but it is exceptionally difficult both to manufacture and to disperse, meaning it's something very difficult for a terrorist group to do. The easiest for them to do is to use the gun and the bomb. That is why 95% of Al-Qaeda and Islamic State groups have used the gun and the bomb. But there can be a very smart group that can move in that direction. But again, if governments and the citizenry are alert and vigilant, no group can move in that direction. That is why we have to constantly educate and invest in the public, alert them towards groups and individuals moving in that direction.